Hey Betsy, social media is a vibe, but you must be mindful of how you're using it. Okay, let's get into the tea. Your profile is giving main character energy, but remember, once it's out there, it's there forever. Using strong passwords and two-factor verification slaps. No cap. Wow. Don't engage in conversation with sus individual. Don't be delusional, posting your location everywhere you are. Clock fake news with fact check JA. Don't share false news. Social media, it's different when you're using it wisely. Be smart, be safe, be responsible. Like that.